Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, April 28th, 2023. Let's find out what's going on the Forex calendar today. What do we see here is basically the most important data releases during the day, and some of them had been released already. Bank of Japan Monetary Policy Statement, Bank of Japan Outlook Report, and Bank of Japan Press Conference. And I guess the interest rate decision was made as well today. So we will definitely take a look at the Japanese yen pairs today. German GDP for the first quarter is scheduled for release at 8 o'clock, and German unemployment change is scheduled for release at 5 to 10. We got the data from the Russian Federation interest rate decision scheduled for release at 11:30. Market participants expect the rate to stay at the same level of 7.5%. During the New York session, we got one very important data release in form of the Canadian GDP scheduled for release at 2:30. Market participants expect that for the month of the February, GDP in Canada will decrease from 0.5% to 0.2%. That's everything we have in the Forex calendar for today in terms of the most important data events. So let's now switch to the charts, and we are going to start with the Japanese yen related pairs, and I guess US dollar to Japanese yen will be first. For our chart of the US dollar to Japanese yen is showing us a very big spike to the upside, very big candle here. So the volatility clearly has increased, and there is a small gap here after the Bank of Japan press conference. Current rate is 135.29. So let's find some levels here. Well, the first obvious level for the traders is the technical resistance that was broken already, 135.14, which is here. And of course the lower level of the range, which is 133.03, will act as the technical support. Overall, we can see like a free wave decline towards this level, 133.13, and then we got the pin bar, then we have another pin bar, and then we have this pin bar-ish candle on a 4-hour chart on increased volatility. Momentum supports the bullish outlook, but currently for our time frame momentum RSI indicator is trading inside the extremely overbought zone above the level of 70, which means the pullback is welcome any time. Let's find out any other targets for the bulls. As you can see, we have the technical resistance here, very close to the current price level, is located at 135.27. so that's the important technical resistance. We got another one, so right now we got a zone as well, that's this level, and of course there's even one bigger spike to the downside at 130.556. so that's the situation here on the US dollar to Japanese yen. Let me just find out if we have any rectangle. Yes, we do. So this is the situation. Very big old support, resistance zone, or the supply zone is right now being hit by the market participants, and I'm talking about bulls, of course. So that's the situation. Oh, wrong button. That's the situation on the US dollar to Japanese yen. Very nice decline to the downside, corrective in nature pullback or correction, right? Corrective in nature, which means it's not a 5-wave upside movement, straight into the very important technical resistance levels and supply zone made in the beginning of the March 2023. No breakout to the upside without no extension to the upside without breakout above this zone. So if there is some kind of a reversal here, that will not be treated as a surprise for the market participants and extremely overbought market conditions. So that's the US dollar to Japanese yen. Let's find out what's going on the euro to the Japanese yen, and that's the same situation here. Okay, so we have a gap to the upside. We have this big candle here with increased volatility, and 149.32 is currently the highest level on the euro to the Japanese yen chart. We can see our, let's say, we can see our first trend line, which was broken. So let me just allow me to move it a little bit lower in order to show you guys that there is another line here. So if we adjust this line, there is still plenty of room for the euro to the Japanese yen to fly higher. This level that had been violated, the swing high from the 25th of the April, 148.56, is now the history, and it will act as the technical support for the market, and especially for the bulls. But if we zoom in, we can see that the market is trading inside of the market is trading in the extremely overbought market conditions, right? The market conditions are extremely overbought. The level of 70 on the RSI has been hit. So the pullback should not be treated as a surprise again here on this market. So 148.55 should be, of course, should bring the technical support. The other technical support is 146.24, and of course the low of this big pin bar here might be treated as the technical support as well. So that's the euro to the Japanese yen. Outlook is bullish. After the pullback is completed, there is still room to the upside. Let's find out what's going on British pound to Japanese yen. So the same story, big pin bar to the upside, big green candle to the upside into the extremely overbought conditions. As you can see, we keep moving up, up and up. Now we have the local high, 168.81. So what is the technical support here? That's the same situation as we mentioned. 147.92 is the technical support that was violated, and of course the lows are here to help. Lows from the 25th of the April, 165.40. The market trades above the moving average as well. This will be the level of the technical support. Let me change it to green so we don't have any doubts about it. Extremely overbought market conditions. 148.93 is the current high. Let's find out where is any of the potential target, and as you can see, we are very close to the next target for the British pound to Japanese yen. We have it here. 169.25 is the next target for bulls. Let me find out if there's any other one. No, this is the next one, okay, for the bulls. And as you can see, the market keeps moving upward, keeps moving up. So this level should be hit very, very soon. However, extreme market conditions, extreme levels are being hit. Extremely overbought market conditions on the 4-hour chart are present already on the British pound to Japanese yen market. So all of the markets connected with the Japanese yen reacted the same way on the current news from the Bank of Japan. So right now, British pound to the Japanese yen, American dollar to the Japanese yen, and euro to the Japanese yen are all rallying up, trading inside of the extreme levels, breaking the 70 points on the RSI. So the markets are in the short term extremely overbought, and there is a gap here, so we should see a cover of this gap soon, pullback, and then the up move continuation on all of the yen related pairs. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.